guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys the easiest method on how to do your cover buttons. But before then, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a big thumbs up, drop your comment down below. So before I got started, I want to introduce to you this small but mighty let me just call it machine. It's kind of rubber, but this is not rubber. This one can break easily. So with this you can do your cover button with ease. So if you look at here, they have different measurements and different sizes. Likewise the cover buttons, the bottom and the up. So here I have the big cover buttons and then the small one. So with this I can easily cut out the measurement for each sizes. So I'm going to be using this material to do my cover buttons, and I'm going to be using this bigger cover buttons. So this is the top, then this is the down part. So I'm going to pick out 3 pieces each. So if you are picking out, make sure you pick out the top and the bottom. So I'm going to cut my fabric like so. Into 3 pieces. You can do yours in a circular motion, which is also fine. So I will have to pick this is the upper, this is the down. So I'm going to drop this down here and then check the size of my cover button. Okay, this is the biggest size, so I'm going to use this middle part for my cover button. But firstly I'm going to check the front and the back part of my fabric. So this is the front panel, this is the front side. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So I'm going to place my fabric like so, making sure that the right side faces the outer part of this. So after I place my fabric down, make sure that the 2 sides are equal. So I'm going to use my top button and then place it down. Make sure I place it down. You can see here it's kind of so smooth. So after, I'm going to fold inside. Make sure I squeeze all this like so. I like to do mine like this. So the next step is I will bring my bottom, then place it like so. After I place it inside, then I'll use this cover to cover it up. You can use your feet and also you can use your hammer. So I'm going to use my hammer to just press everything down. So after pressing it down, make sure you press it down very well for it to enter and it will not shift. So after I press it down, the next step for me to do is to push my cover button from this opening. I will push it open and here is my cover button. So this is the down part, while this is the right side. You can see how my cover button is and it cannot remove easily. So after this, I'm going to repeat the same procedure with the other fabric. So like I said before, I'm going to check the wrong side and the right side of the fabric, then place it first. After placing it first, I'm going to bring my bottom cover button, then insert it inside, then twist the remaining fabric so that I will have a neat finishing after. After twisting it, I will bring my down part of the cover button So make sure that everything is nice and neat. So after squeezing inside, you can use your feet to press it down depending on what you want. So I'm going to size this. After sizing it, I'm going to use my hammer to press it down also. So after pressing it down, I'm going to remove and then bring out my cover button like so. You can see how super neat it looks like. So the third one, I'm going to repeat the same process. Look for my wrong side, place it down, then put the top like so, then squeeze the remaining fabric inside. Then I'll use the bottom to press all the rough materials, then use the cover. Then after my cover button is good to go. So that's it, guys. You can get this small but mighty machine on my website at an affordable rate. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Also, you can get this in steel cover and also in rubber cover. I love you guys. Bye. See you next time.